go. Gonna do some grilling over here. The chimney starter going. Got the salmon marinating. Some olive oil, lemon, and some Italian seasoning. Some garlic powder also. Our Romeo and Juliette cigar for this occasion. I got the cigar lit. So far, so good. Got the grill heating up. Nice and open flame. We don't want to smoke this. Still gotta clean it off. Alright, we'll be back with the salmon and the cedar plank. Alright, got the cedar plank on the grill. Got it to around 400. Alright, got the salmon on. Let's check this back in 5-10 minutes. It should be ready. Hello ITPC, it's Paul from Papa Bear's Milk. Smoking a Romeo and Juliette, 1875. Got the grill going. Got the salmon. Got about 400. Open flame, no smoke. So, show you when it's done. Okay, the cigar is nice and woodsy. So, I'm liking this so far. Alright, 10 minutes in. Let's check this salmon out. Ooh, looking so good. Okay, close it for another 15-16 minutes. Okay, 16 minutes in, this should be done. Ooh, yeah. Okay. So, this is done. So I'll send a picture at the end. Thank you all for watching. Like always, peace out. Love you all. God bless.